Let's begin this meditation by sitting down in the cross-legged position or sitting in a chair without having your back resting against the chair if you can. We are going to sit in this position with a straight and tall spine for about 2 minutes. You can close your eyes at any time if you wish to do so. Having nice posture shows that you are dignified and that you honor yourself by how you hold yourself. Make sure your chin is a little raised and your head sits balanced above your spine. Allow a gentle smile to appear across your mouth, one that you can easily hold for the duration of 2 minutes. Take a nice breath in and hold it for a second, and let it go with a little sigh. With the next breath you take, allow for yourself to draw in relaxation and letting go, feeling that relaxation pour over you. Rest for another moment before taking another deep breath. But this time, imagine that there is a medium-sized bowl balancing on your head. And when you breathe in, imagine you are filling this bowl with relaxation. Inhale, filling the bowl that balances easily atop your head. Hold it, noticing the relaxation you have collected. Let your breath go, imagining the bowl is pouring this beautiful relaxation out, letting it spill over you. Become aware of how well you're holding your body up, with your shoulders drawn back and down. Perhaps this posture does not feel very comfortable for you because you don't hold yourself with dignity very often. But do it right now. You only have about a minute, so you can finish this minute sitting strongly through the sensations that this posture creates in your body. Take one last deep breath, filling yourself with relaxation. Hold it with good posture and let it go, adjusting to that honorable, tall spine. Let your posture just kind of relax back to what it was before we started the meditation. And begin to think in your mind about checking social media. Imagine in your mind looking at a screen and seeing other people's lives and thinking to yourself, their lives sure look better than mine. When you scan through people's photos, you see people always having happy faces and lots of friends. Sometimes you wonder why you don't have as many friends as they do. You see people getting married, and it seems like everyone does the same thing. White dress, lots of people, lots of pictures. And you wonder why you weren't invited. And where is your happy wedding? You see a notification come in. Someone liked your photo, and this brings you an ounce of joy because the person who liked your photo, you don't talk to very often. And it's good to see that they notice your pictures every now and then. You scan along the social media wall, thinking you'd only look for about a minute or so. But then you look at the clock.